Hey guys, it's Glen Murray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review this product called Affiliate Mentor. As you can see, I'm actually number one on the leaderboard right now. That's not every week, but this just turned over. So this is a really cool program. It's all in one. It's kind of an all-in-one setup. It's really easy to do because you don't have to mess around with any of the techie parts. All you need to do is just sort of click the buttons and say add, and it adds everything for you. So what it does is it builds you a landing page, and it populates an autoresponder for you and puts in the emails and all that stuff. Basically, all you do is send traffic to it. Does it cost to get into it? Yes, of course it does. And it's mainly affiliate marketing, but it does have some commissionable stuff that you can earn from the people that you refer into it. So that's really cool. And the other thing is that you get spillover referrals from me. So if you can see, like, I'm one of the top people in here, then you're going to be able to, if you join under me, you're going to be able to get some of my traffic will spill onto you. And that's in the sort of this matrix thing that they call it. It's not, it's kind of like it's not really like an MLM. It's like a 2-level affiliate program where you would get paid on if someone else was promoting it, you would get paid on them, but after that you wouldn't get paid. So it's not really MLM. It's more like a 2-tiered affiliate program. So anyway, let me just show you around. So it's really easy to get into it. You just hit start here, and you go through and you get core. I did the annual core. I think it was $400, and then that way you don't pay for like 2 years. You just pay the $400 once and then you don't pay for 2 years. And you also get commissions on that. If someone buys it, you get $200. And then there's the VIP Marketer Club, and I think this is $365. So I'm that as well. And that's that part. And you don't have to buy this, but I recommend it. That's the part that you can get the matrix kind of commissions on it. So the next one, and then you can get commissionable traffic. So when you refer people to the Traffic Authority traffic, which I buy every month, I buy a traffic package, you get commissions on that as well. Setup is really easy. You just walk through here, you update your get response. So if you don't have get response, you do need an autoresponder for this. So I think it's $15 or $20 a month. If it puts in your autoresponder referral information, so if someone signs up under you and they get response under you, then you get those commissions from get response. So it's really cool. It's like multiple streams of income. This is what's called a multi-stream funnel. It's one way of doing it. So then you update your autoresponder stuff, and it does everything for you. There's a whole back office tour. It shows you everything around. Now the core is just your referral. I'm not going to show emails in there. The referral, the core is just sort of like those are your leads. The VIP club, I'm just running. This is the matrix board. So basically, when people buy into the VIP, they get this, and when it fills up, you get $500, $580, I think it is what you get on that one. And then I showed the leaderboard, and that's it. It's a really simple system. Buying traffic is really easy. What I like about it, it's truly passive income in the sense that you don't have to do anything on social media to make this happen. You can just buy traffic, and traffic can be anywhere from 50 cents to $1 a click, and it converts quite well. You can see just in the short time, I've got 30 leads for this week. I'm number 8 on the leaderboard. So this is brand new. So these numbers are going to go crazy. Like by summertime, these numbers are going to be way higher than that because this is brand new for 2025. It's in its first 30 or 40 days. So it's really, really brand new. So basically that's it. You set it all up and you just send traffic at it. If you want to jump into it, it's very cool. Like what I like about it is that you pay an amount, and then you just don't even have to think about it. You can go out and do other stuff. You can do other affiliate marketing. If you're like me, this is sort of a passive income on the side for what my core business is. And my core business is just making short videos on Instagram, sending them to a high ticket product. And I get a lot of sales every single day by doing that. Just building up my Instagram, building up my YouTube shorts. It's not going as fast as my Instagram, but that's my main business. Now, if you're looking for doing that and you want to do just make short videos and make money that way, without investing some money into this, go for it. I'll put a link down below. It's always the link in my profile as well. But the thing with that is you have to be consistent. Like, you have to show up every day, or you got to be posting every day for it to do it. So even if you want to go on vacation, you would still make a bunch of videos before you went on vacation. Like, we went to Disneyland over Christmas, and what I did is I had a bunch of videos. So when we were at Disneyland, each morning I got up and I just posted. It took me like literally 5 minutes. Posted, forgot about it for the day, and my sales kept going all through the 10 days we were in Disneyland. So basically, that's that program. Now, for this one, you don't even have to think about it. Like, you can literally buy traffic on the first of the month and just watch the leads and watch your commissions come in, and then at the end of the month, when your traffic runs out, you buy another batch of traffic and you just send it out, and that's all you have to do. You don't really have to do anything else. And that's why a lot of people love this program, and that's why a lot of people are into it like that. All right, that's it, guys. Just thought I would show you. I lost my screen now. That is the affiliate mentor program. So this has been my affiliate mentor review. Now, I don't really need to offer a bonus, because if you join under me, you actually get spillover traffic from me. So from my referrals, they end up going under you, and you can earn from them, especially if you're in the VIP club, because that's how you get that matrix stuff done. If you don't understand it, message me or click on the link. I'll put it in the description, and then go through the training so you understand it. And maybe it's not for you. Maybe it's totally not for you and you want to try something else, but if this might be the solution you're looking for. So again, affiliate mentor review. This is my YouTube channel. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.